Did you know that you can customize the shadows and lights at the 3D and Extrude Bevel classics here in Illustrator? Alright, so let's go and start with some typos, shall we? I'm gonna select the type tool, type in whatever you want, and I'm gonna go with the Mango Black. This is a free font you can download. And I'm also gonna switch up the color of the text to some strong blue. And now let's go to the effects, 3D and materials, 3D classics, and select Extrude and Bevel Classic. Now here in this panel you can find the good old 3D Extrude and Bevel options, but there's still a button that I never ever touched before, and this is the More Option button. Let's click on it and check this out. We got a lot more options where you can tweak the light source actually. So I'm gonna bring this little circle and check this out. It is going to reposition the lights wherever you want. I'm also gonna add some bevel. And then you not only can reposition the light, but you also can change up the lights. So you go to the shading color and change it up from black to custom. And check this out, it's switched to red. Now this is the default color, but you always can switch it up with this little square, click on it. And this way you can choose another color. Click OK. Now the color of the light looks a little bit more faded, but you also can strengthen this. You can go to the ambient light and decrease it. And check this out. It is going to make the green color more vibrant. You also got the light intensity. Now it's 100%. You can decrease it. And on 0 is going to be green 100%. I'm going to go somewhere on 90. The highlight size and blend steps are not relevant here. You also can go to position and bring it to front. And this is how the colored extrusion would look like. I'm gonna go and change it up to light source. Now it's more stronger, and you also can add another light source if you want. You can click on the plus here and check it out. I'm gonna push it into the opposite direction and it's gonna look something like this. Let me add another one. All right, now it starts to get more and more interesting. So with 3 light source, you can make a really nice 3D custom typo. And mainly this is what the More Options button does here in the 3D and Extrude Bevel settings in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.